Okay, good, excellent. Next we have, who will tell me the equation for this one? The main hater is ordering cup from Teacups Limited for his tea party. The Teacups Limited catalog price cups according to the number of cup orders for now. Question start from here. For orders of 20 or fewer cups means from 0, yeah, from 1 to 20. 20 is also included. For order of 20 or fewer cups, the price is 1.4 per cup plus $12 shipping and handling on order. Second, for order of more than 20 cups, the price is 1.1 per cup plus 15 shipping and handling. Is two functions up to 20 cups and more than 20 cups. So who will tell me the function for this? Yes, price depend upon number of cups, where x is number of cups. Yes, first part. Uh, the for order 20 or fewer cups, the price is 1.4 per cup plus 12 shipping and handling. So this means that 1.4 multiply with what? Multiply with x. X means number of cup plus 12 is for shipping and handling. But when x is greater than 0 and less than, sorry, again greater, less than or equal to 20. So this means that from 1 up to 20 cup. If you want to order, so per cup 1.4x plus 12. Now, for order of more than 20 cups, greater than 20 cups, the price is 110 per cup plus 15 shipping. So per cup is 1.10, just you can write 1.1 with x plus 15 is for shipping. But when x is greater than 20, more than 20 cups. For first, let's suppose if you want to order 10 cups, x is equal to 10 cups. So what will be the price? Price of 10 cups equal to our cost 1.4 multiply with 10 plus 12. 1.4 multiply with 10 equal to 14 plus 12 equal to 26. If you want to order, yes, 10 cups, so price is 26. Let's suppose if you want to order 25 cups. So for 25 cups, you can use second one. So we have 1.1 multiply with 25 plus 15. So 1.1 multiply with 25 equal to, okay, 1.1 multiply 25. This one is actually 27.5 plus 15. So plus 15 means 42.5. 42.5. So 10 cup or up to 20 cup first function you can use, and above 20 cups you can use the second part. Excellent, Mr. Abida. Excellent. Sorry, Miss Abida and Suhela. Very good. Excellent. Okay, last one. Uh, Using a piecewise function, let's suppose you have a summer job that pays time and half for overtime. One is your fixed salary, and second one is your overtime. If you work more than 40 hours per week, your fixed work for 1 week is 40 hours, but overtime is above than more than 40 hours per week. Your hourly wages for the extra hour is 1.5 extra work hours. Uh, time your normal hourly wage of 7. So your normal hourly wage is 7 up to 40 hours. But above 40 hours, so it will be 1.5 times. It means it will multiply with your hourly wages, where your hourly wages is 7. So it means that 1 multiply with 5, 1.5 multiply with 7, and then you can multiply with extra hours. So write in graph a piecewise function that gives you weekly pay in term of number hours, the number of working hours. Okay. Second function is if you work for 55 hours, so how much you will pay. So first one is very easy because uh, if you have, it depend upon hours. So first one uh, up to 7 up to sorry up to, you can say that this is 7 per hour, but this one is when h equal to what, h equal to 40, so you can say that greater than 0 and less than or equal to 40. So for 40 hours, again I write greater, no, this is less than or equal to 40, up to 40 hours. Now second one, this one is important. One is your salary, permanent salary. This is 7 per hour up to 40 hours. Then you have what? Then you have extra 1.5 time your permanent salary. That one is 7 per hour. But if you work for more than 40, so this one is important, that how you can write more than 40. So write down h minus 40. This factor is important because if you work for 40 hours, so 40 minus 40 equal to 0, then this total function will be 0. It means that you don't have extra hours. But if you work for 41 hours, 41 minus 40, this means that 1. So you need to multiply 1 with this one. 7 multiply with 1.5 multiply with working hour, extra working hour. If you work for 45 hours, so 45 minus 40, this one is your minus, this one is your normal, so it will subtract. 45 minus 40 means 5, so you work for 5 extra hour. So we have 7 multiply with 40, then we have what, we have 1.5 multiply with 7 and multiply with x minus 40 hours. So when you simplify this one, you can multiply with x, you can multiply with 40. The function is like this one, 10.5h minus 140. But this one is main, your main function, this one. And you can write the condition for this, that when working hour is greater than 40, like 41 is possible, 42 possible, 43 possible. The second part is how much will you get paid if you work for 45 hours. So we have equation, uh, second equation, so accordingly you can solve. We have equation P of H is equal to 10.5H minus 140. So now put H is equal to 45. So we have 10.5 multiply with 45 minus 140. And when you simplify this one, equal to 332.5. 332.5. A piecewise function. Clear? What is piecewise function? Any question?